Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear cadets. I hope you are fine at your home and doing well with all the businesses of life. Today we are going to practice and write the question number 3 and 4 of the lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, happiness lies in contentment. Lesson number 3, happiness lies in contentment. What is question number 3 asking? Question number 3 is asking, what does nature teach us? What does nature teach us? Nature teaches us to keep a balance in all aspects of life. Nature teaches us not to collect things more than the real needs. Nature teaches us the balance in treating others. A balanced diet should be eaten, etc. So, this question is asked just because couple of things have been explained and mentioned in the lesson, in which we are convinced that in the marriage ceremonies, in the parties, we eat and we plan to eat too much. It is a separate matter that we cannot eat more than a capacity, what is really the natural capacity. If we will try to eat more and more, definitely then it will cross the law of nature, and then certain diseases related to the stomach will happen. Like one will feel stomach frustration, or one will feel digestion, one will feel gaseous, anything. But if one eats more than the need, more than the capacity, what happens that he actually crosses the law of nature, and then he is indulged in any kind of stomach disease. The next question is asking, what are some of the ways through which companies lure us to buy their product? Lure us to buy their product, attract us to buy their product. What tricks and what techniques, what are those magics by which companies attract the customers towards towards buying, towards purchasing? The thing what we were discussing about the enhancing trend of consumerism, जो लोग ज़्यादा खरीदारी के रवाज को इख्तियार कर रहे हैं, consumerism कहलाता है. तो this is the question asked in it, that what kind of things, attractions, beauties, and what are the points kept in the advertisement or in the commercials, or what strategy, what method is made by some of the companies which attract the buyers. Let's see, these companies use print and electronic media to advertise and show their product in very charming and attractive ways. We can really find it, and it is absolutely, answer is driven from the commercials on the television or anything commercial we see on the newspaper, we listen on the radio, and we watch and listen on television. That attracts too much, right? Couple of people are there, and dances sometimes displayed there, shock, energies, power, strength, and different attractive point about their products is explained and is displayed. दिखाया जाता है कि हमारी प्रोडक्ट कितनी अच्छी और खूबसूरत है, और ये सब एडवर्टाइजमेंट के थ्रू लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करने का एक तरीका है. Then second part of this answer, these companies offer certain schemes of their product, and public uses to buy their product for attaining benefit by the scheme. Look at the trick, look at the scheme. कंपनी एक स्कीम दे देती है कि हमारे प्रोडक्ट इतने खरीदेंगे तो शायद ये आपको किसी कुरानदाजी में, किसी बेट में, किसी ऑक्शन में, कहीं नीलामी में फिर फ्री भी होगा। सो आप हमारे कंपनी के टोकन जितने ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं खरीदें। तो वो क्या होता है, लोग खरीदते हैं, पब्लिक यूजेस टू बाय देयर प्रोडक्ट फॉर अटेनिंग, हासिल क्यों खरीदते हैं, फॉर अटेनिंग बेनिफिट बाय द स्कीम, जो उन्होंने स्कीम में लालच दिखाया होता है, जो उन्होंने एक गिफ्ट अपने तौर पे दिखाया होता है, उसके लिए लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बाय करते हैं कि हम उस स्कीम से फ़ायदा उठा लेंगे और वो गिफ्ट या वो हमें मिलेगा, वट एवर इज द प्राइस गिवन इन द स्कीम। I will repeat the answer of two questions again and then we will come to the exercise of fill in the blanks, which is given on the same page, page number 26. First question was, what does nature teach us? Nature teaches us to keep a balance in all aspects of life. Nature teaches us not to collect things more than the real needs. ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा चीज़ें नहीं खरीदनी चाहिए. Nature teaches us the balance in treating others. दूसरे लोगों से मिलने जुलने में भी एक बैलेंस, एक बराबर और एक इक्विलिब्रियम का रास्ता होना चाहिए. एक ना अच्छा हो ना बहुत बुरा हो, ऐसा कुछ कहने वाला एक, there should be a balance in treating the people as well according to the age and according to the person who is respectable or the one who is on the seat professionally or one who is elder in relation. There are different statures of relations in which we have to keep our behavior and treatment to them very specific with a very balanced attitude. That is called. Then a balanced diet should be eaten also. Always there are commercials and advertisement spoken by the doctors, spoken by the medical communities that we should not eat more. More eating does not make us so healthy. Actually, a balanced diet makes us healthy. So a balanced diet should be eaten. This is what is told to us, taught to us, informed to us by nature. Then your second question is, what are some of the ways through which companies lure us to buy their product? This means that what kind of attractive points are added in the commercials and advertisement of the product made by the companies, and those advertisements are given very beauty and manpower is also given. Different actresses and actors work in there and they present their witness. This is a very strange thing that actor and actresses used to present themselves as witness of the quality of that thing. उस चीज़ की गारंटी देने के लिए एक्टर और एक्ट्रेसेस जो है उनको हायर कर लिया जाता है कि वो गारंटी देंगे तो पब्लिक मान जाएगी. So these are the things in advertisement. Then these companies offer certain schemes. फिर ये जो कंपनीज हैं ऐसी स्कीम्स दे देती हैं जो कि कुछ मुख्तलिफ किस्म के फ़वाइद शो करती हैं and public uses to buy their product for attaining benefit by the scheme. और उस स्कीम से फ़ायदा हासिल करने के लिए लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उन चीज़ों का या उन प्रोडक्ट का, उन कंपनीज का जो है वो ब्रांड और प्रोडक्ट इस्तेमाल करते हैं. These are the two questions. I hope you have understood them and you have heard them. You are also able to read it as well. You are having a homework to write this on your notebooks, the fair copies what you use in your classrooms for English. And then come to here. The next point, your fill in the blanks, exercise A, your page number 26. See page number 26. There are fill in the blanks regarding the same lesson. First fill in the blank is what we can live without so many things. आगे डैश है. fill in the blank में आपने लिखना है that we feel are sorry that we feel are important. बहुत सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनके बगैर भी हम रह सकते हैं, लेकिन हम समझते हैं कि वो ये चीजें बहुत जरूरी हैं. Your second fill in the blank. Most of us have created a happiness mirage. Happiness mirage कि हमने खुशी का क्या मयार रखा हुआ है कि क्या खुशी है. Believing that possession things, believing to become rich. If हम सोचते ही हैं, हमारा ख्याल ये हो गया है कि if we will become rich, then we will be happy. But in actual means ऐसा नहीं है. We have already we are delivered so many messages in the lesson that proves that happiness is associated with many other small and big things. Happiness is not only related with money. Your fill in the blank number 3. Commercials on television actually influence our choice of. कमर्शियल टेलीविजन पे क्या इन्फ्लुएंस कर जाती हैं? परचेज एंड नीड. दे चेंज फर्स्ट आवर नीड, दे चेंज आवर चॉइस, देन इट बिकम्स डिफरेंट इन द प्राइस, एंड देन व्हेन वी ट्राई टू यूज इट, देन वी कम टू नो दैट इट इज maybe a different thing rather than what we were actually needing. ये वो चीज नहीं है जिसकी हमें जरूरत थी. हम हाई ब्रांड तलाश करते करते उस हद में चले गए कि हम जिस काम की चीज हमें चाहिए थी हम वो ही नहीं खरीद सके. So number 3, commercials on television actually influence our choice of purchase and need. Then number 4, we have multiplied our possessions. हमने अपनी जो चीजें हम रखते हैं, घर में जमा करते रहते हैं, accumulate करते रहते हैं, तो वो इतनी ज्यादा बढ़ा दी है. किस वजह से? by accumulation, by accumulating and collecting things. And your fill in the blanks number 5 is when we go against nature. जब हम फितरत के खिलाफ जाते हैं, by being greedy, it also affects us, it disturbs us mentally and financially. अगर हम फितरत के खिलाफ जाकर ज़रूरत से बढ़कर कोई चीज़ लेते हैं और जो हमारा लिमिट ऑफ फाइनेंस होता है उससे भी ज़्यादा का हम पैसे खर्च करते हैं, तो हमें वो ज़हनी तौर पे भी और अखराजाती तौर पे भी, फाइनेंशियली भी और मेंटली भी डिस्टर्ब रखता है. सो यू विल रीड एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक told to you on the board. The same thing is your homework, writing these 2 questions and filling these blanks and writing these fill in the blanks on your fair notebooks of English. That is, these both things of the today's lecture are your homework. You will write both of these things on your fair copies, which will be those, your copies will be checked after when you will be received in the college. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Be connected and try to subscribe my videos and lectures so you can be notified well in time. Try to be punctual in prayers, respect your parents, respect elders, be fair in dealings and your behavior. Good luck. I wish you and your family having safe health. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.